Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be looking at another open source JavaScript syntax highlighting library for highlighting source code inside your browser. So this one is called as CodeFlask. It's a fairly new in the development space. So I just figured out yesterday, so I just wanted to make a video. So it has three themes associated with it. It has light theme, it has dark theme as well. So it's a micro level code editor. It supports multiple languages. So it's a code editor. So here you can paste your source code, something like that. So the dark theme looks good. You will see it supports all the HTML tags that it also have line numbers as well. If you see on the left hand side, each and every line is highlighted properly with line numbers as well. So this is actually the default theme which comes right here. So each and every tag is highlighted. So this is the light theme with the gray background color. So essentially it highlights HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So if you have a different programming language such as Python, Java, then this will not work. You can write Python code, but you can see Python is also supported. So you can just test out, but mainly this editor is for web development. So if you are writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then it is useful. So this is their GitHub repo, official website, CodeFlask. You can directly write CodeFlask on Google, and the very first link which comes, this is their official website. And you can even use it as a node module as well, or you can directly use it in the browser. So I will show you how to use it directly in the browser using a CDN. So we have this CDN right here. So we are including this CDN so that we can directly use it in the browser. So the source code will be given in the description. So now to get started, I will write this from scratch. So if you just open this now, nothing will be present. So we are starting it from scratch. So for building the UI, we will be using Bootstrap. So we have included the CDN for that also. So we'll be using the container class. So inside this, we will have a simple heading, which will simply say CodeFlask code editor. And so after this, we will have a select list, which will have different options for themes, the default theme, dark theme, light theme. So you have given an ID to it of theme select so that we can target in JavaScript. So after this, we will have the actual div tag where we will give it an ID to it of editor. So here we will be loading the actual code editor. So here you can actually write any code that you want to write. So let me write some JavaScript code right here with the comment. So just close the text area. So inside this text area we are. So if you just refresh now, it will look something like this. The code will not be highlighted. So now to load this CodeFlask library, we do need to write some JavaScript code here. So we will write this in this script.js file. So now to initialize this library, you need to get access to that element in which you need to load your. So we are given an ID to it. So we'll get reference to this, and now we can simply initialize this using new code Flask. You will use this constructor, and you need to pass the reference in which you want to load this editor. The second option is the which language you want to highlight. So in this case, we want to highlight the JavaScript language. And the second option is takes if you want the line numbers, it's a Boolean option. So I want the line numbers, so I will put true here. So that's all. So if you just refresh now, you will actually see the editor will get loaded. So if I paste this JavaScript code, if I want to highlight this, so now you can see the highlighting is working perfectly. So this is actually the default theme. So now if I want to update this theme, I will bind a event handler. So whenever the theme changes, this event handler will execute this change one. It will get the theme value and we will execute this function, custom function, update theme. So it will take the theme name as an argument. So based upon which theme is selected, we will so we will be selecting this class, which is CodeFlask pre. Here will be simply be comparing if the selected theme is dark theme, then we just need to change the background color here. So you can even customize any color that you want. So I have predefined these colors, these hexadecimal color codes. So based upon the dark theme and the light theme. So you can customize your own colors, just put your own hexadecimal codes. So now if I let's suppose if I change to dark theme, so if you change to dark theme, it will change to dark. So you can all customize these colors, these hexadecimal colors. You can replace with your own colors as well. So this was the syntax highlighting library. If you want to highlight source code, you can use this one. It's fairly new and it's very lightweight. The size is very low, as so you can easily integrate with within the browser. So do check out free media tools as well, which contains thousands of free tools. This is my website. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.